nawawala, bumabalik. Oh, eto na naman! Ito ulit ang back and joint pains. Si Gary V ito, huwag mag-alala. With Scalan, isang tableta, up to 12 hours long-lasting bisa, kaya di pa ulit-ulit ang pag-inom. Scalan!
Unilab yan.
Naproxen sodium is the generic name of Scalan. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Maganda nga ba ang araw mo? O nangangarag ka na sa dami ng bayarin? Worry no more. For your personal loan needs, andito na ang LB Lending Corporation. LB Lending Corporation. No hidden charges, no advance interest, hassle-free, easy, and fast approval. Valid ID at ATM lang ang kailangan. For more info, call LB Lending at 0967-211-7250 or 0968-545-7808. LB Lending Corporation.
Are you craving for foods pero late night na? Gusto mo magkape pero walang bukas na coffee shop? Doon tayo sa 24 hours na bukas. Stop by QQ Mart. May Korean ramen and other microwavable foods, cold soda and other drinks. At syempre, marami pang iba. They are at MH Del Pilar, Corner Gomez Street, Barangay 3, Lucena City. Malapit sa Buddha Frozen Foods. Yun nasa kanto bago pumasok ng tulay papuntang Pleasantville. Daling hanapin. QQ Mart, your friendly neighborhood convenience store. Anytime.
Naghahanap ka ba ng quality pero murang computer? I-Red Kinix na yan! Red Kinix Piso Box Computer Center at 98 Merchant Street, Lucena City. Meron din sa second floor, Pacific Mall, Lucena and San Pablo City Plaza. We offer desktop, laptop, printers, PisoNet, Wi-Fi vendo, CCTV, networking, and office setup. Red Kinix Piso Box Computer Center, ang inyong trusted computer store in Lucena, San Pablo, and nearby cities. Basta computer, i-Red Kinix na yan! Nagre-repair din kami ng sirang computer o laptop. Huwag lang sirang relasyon.
Mamang driver, may sticker ka na ba ng Love Radio? Aba, magpadikit na at magpalista na sa
Pisyo na Toda!
Pisyo na To Drivers Association. Pisyo na Toda! Kung hindi ka namin matsyempuhan sa kalye, bahala ka na maganap sa amin. Charot! Uy, puntahan mo na lang kami sa Abadilla Building sa Hermano Fossa Street, corner Enrique Street, Lucena City. At may chance ka na maging hari ng kalsada for the day.
Pisyo na Toda!
Hari ng kalsada sa 100.7 Love Radio.
Think of one thing that's common in tricycles, jeepneys, and buses. Common in malls, bazaars, and stalls, bungalows, condos, and apartments. In your office, in your bedroom. It's in every MP3, MP4 players, and even in your cell phones. It's amazingly common all over. It's like there's no escaping it. Now think, what is this one thing? And think what it can do for you.
Advertise on Love Radio. Call on 710-6534. Love Radio.
Where advertising works.
Maraming bago, pero maintain ang tikas, angas at lakas. May mga inayos, pero maintain ang tugtugan, kulitan at tawanan. GBGB good vibes pa rin, walang hate. Kaya maintain. Love.